Good morning, my dear students. Today I will start class 6. It is class 4 math. It is class 4 maths. Checking subtraction by addition. We can check the subtraction by using adding, okay. We can check subtraction by addition, okay. This one is called manivend, this one called subtrahend, this one is called difference. Result of subtraction, that is called difference. From which number you should subtract, that is called manivend. Which number you have to be subtract, that is called subtrahend or subtrahend. If we should add in, which number we should be add, difference. We need the difference and subtrahend add, then we should get in the manivend. If the manivend is the same, then the subtraction done is correct, okay. Let's go. 3 minus 3, that is 0. 4 minus 2, that is 2. 5 minus 6. 6 minus from 5. Is it possible? That's why we should take it. 5 as 15. 15 minus 6, that is 9. And 6 is in here because we should take in 1. 6 minus 3, that is 3. Okay, that means manivend is 7,544. We should subtract 3,623 as subtrahend, and difference is the 3920 or 3920. That means 3,920. We need a difference and a subtrahend added. Then if we should get in the manivend, it is the correct. It is a checking subtraction process by adding, okay. That means, suppose I will give you example. If the manivend 75 and the subtrahend 15, we should get in the result of difference 20. 16, sorry for that. It is 60. That means we should add the number difference and subtrahend. 5 plus 7, that is manivend. This one also manivend. That means the subtraction done is correct, okay. Do you understand these things? I will tell you again. Manivend and subtrahend, you should subtract the subtrahend from manivend. You will getting difference, okay. When we should go the check, then we should edit the number. We have to be needed the add the numbers. Which numbers? The difference and the subtrahend. If the manivend is the same, that means the subtraction done is correct. Subtraction done is correct. That means you should do this one. Page number 55, 56. Subtract and check the subtraction. At first you should subtract it, and there is a checking process. and check the subtraction is correct or not. If the menu went from here and from here the different adding number or some results the equal, that means subtraction done is correct. If you should get the difference number and subtraction number after adding, you should getting the menu went from here, that means it is correct, otherwise it is wrong. Okay, that means I will tell you again, the minuend and subtract the numbers, you should getting the difference. Okay, when you should go the check, that means on that time we should add it, or we have to be needed the add the numbers, that which numbers which we have get to difference from here, difference, and the subtrahend added these two numbers. If you should getting the minuend from here, if you should getting minuend, that means it is correct. The subtraction done is correct, that means. Otherwise it is wrong. Okay, do you understand? After that we should get in the next solve. At first you should subtract the number. After that, number 2 or step 2 is you should add the numbers. Which number you have to be get, you have got the difference, or by subtraction you have got the numbers, then you should do, or you should add the numbers. Okay, do you understand? First step, you should subtract this number from this number. Okay, a second step, which you have to be you have got, that means which number you have got from the subtraction, which number you should get from addition, you should add this number with this number. Okay, example over here. So you should practice at first example. After that you should go to the homework. Okay, what number is, if it is more than, that means you should add the number. If it is less than, that means you should subtract this number from this number. This number less than this number, that means you should subtract this number from this number. Okay, this number more than 170, this number you should add it with 170 you should add it with this number. What should be added to this number to get 2 lakhs? That means you should subtract 2 lakhs, subtract 5,432 from 2 lakhs. Okay, what should be added to? Suppose like this, it is 17 to get 20, you should subtract the number, that means 20 minus 17, 33. That means if you should get 20, that means you should add 3 with 17. Okay, these are here. So these are your homework also. Okay, from page number 59 you should do it as your homework 1, 2, 3, and from page number 57, from page number 55 and 56 you should do the subtract at first. After that you should check the subtraction by adding. Okay, these are your homework 1 to 12, and here is 1 and 2. Just subtract the following and check the difference by addition. Check the difference by addition. By addition, you should check it. These are the same process. At first, you should get in the result. of subtraction, you should add the numbers or add difference plus difference with the subtrahend. You should get it. If you should get a minuend, then it is correct. Otherwise, it is wrong. It goes to be wrong. Okay, these are your homework. You should do your homework properly. I will check it. To our WhatsApp group, I will check it. Okay, you should do your homework regularly. No one submit your copies, pages regularly. So you should check and you should do your homework and you should submit your homework to our WhatsApp group. You should submit it regularly and correctly. Okay, thank you, my dear students. Thank you so much.